Hello guys. So I'm sleeping in this hotel tonight. It's Stonehill Suites, and so I'm gonna show you around this place because it's so freaking good looking. There you go. All right, so let's go to my room for our room tour. I'm gonna be in this room. This is so beautiful. This is their most basic room, I think, but this is like so good. So here you go. Where is it? I actually had a problem with the lock earlier, so. But here's the room. Just a moment. Okay, so we're in the room now. Let's just turn on all the lights. The lights are very harsh though, but there you go. Yeah. So this is the beautiful bed, and got some really good air conditioning. I don't think it's on. I don't know, but it feels cold right now. You can sit here if you're a business traveler. There you go, and work and all that. TV, of course. And let's look at the free stuff because it's very important to know the free stuff in a hotel, right? So yeah, we get free water, um, and then I believe free coffee, hopefully. Yep, so that I won't be charged. And underneath it, we have a fridge, which has, well, nothing in it, but it should be cold. Is it cold? I don't know. I don't know how to open it. Oh, here. I don't know how to open it. Okay, but anyway, there's nothing in it. So, um, I'm looking for slippers though. There is no slipper around, so I don't think they have free slippers. But they have other free things here, like of course, you get your robe, and then these things, sanitary stuff, and all that jazz. All right, dental kit, so you don't need to bring your toothbrush and toothpaste anymore. Lotion, soap. There you go. And so let's go to the very beautiful part, which I love the most. I don't know why, but I love the bathroom so much. All right, there you go. Yeah, so there you go. All the essentials for taking a bath, and this mirror can actually be turned on and off. Hey, all right, there. Turn it off, and let's turn it on. Awesome. And then we have the free, of course, it comes with a blow dryer. Of course, you can't take it home, but yeah, so it's really awesome, I'd say. Really beautiful. Yeah, I wish I could do a wide angle, but I don't think it will allow me. So this one is, of course, the bed which you will sleep on. And what else? Hey guys, so thank you for watching the nonsense I just created. Thank you for taking the time, and yeah, I have nothing else to say. Bye.